Got a Galaxy Z Flip 6 and need fast access to TalkBack? There's a hidden feature you probably haven't tried yet, and it only takes a few seconds to set up. Here's how to do it. 1. Open Settings. 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. 3. Select Advanced Settings. 4. Tap on Accessibility button. Tap Select Actions. Then check the box next to TalkBack. That's it. Now the Accessibility button will appear on your screen. And with just one quick tap, you can instantly turn TalkBack on or off. No need to dig through menus every time. This shortcut is perfect for anyone who needs visual assistance or just want faster access. Try it out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart Samsung tips.